We frequently receive requests from customers working in the environment of additive manufacturing, and they ask us if optical emission spectroscopy is a method they could use to ensure their product quality.
We regularly analyze samples on behalf of our customers in the demo lab in Germany to demonstrate them that optical emission spectroscopy can be an important building block for quality control of additive manufacturing components. It's possible to determine almost all elements in a short measurement time. We have put together a guide summarizing our findings to provide insight and helping you to find an optimal solution.
I encourage you to download this guide from our webpage, and if you're ready to talk to us, to either Maryam or me, we would be happy to get in contact with you, analyze your samples in the demo lab in Germany, and we both look forward to hearing from you.